Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hello, in today's video we are going to make Nutella at home. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to make Nutella. And we are not going to make the hazelnut Nutella which we receive from the store. We are going to make it with almonds and peanuts. This tastes exactly like the store-bought Nutella and it is a way more healthier and tastier. So take half a cup of almonds and around the same quantity of peanuts into a pan and dry roast it for a few seconds. We can include any of the nuts or any nuts of your choice. If you have hazelnut, you're always free, always welcome to use that. If you want to use only almonds, you can do that too. So dry roast it for a few seconds. Once both the nuts are roasted properly, that is, once the skin of the peanuts starts peeling off, we can switch off the flame. Now let us keep this aside to allow this to cool down. Once it is cooled down, let us add this into a mixer jar and grind this into a fine paste. Once the mixture is grinded, add in half a cup of powdered sugar and 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder into this. You can vary the amount of sugar according to your taste we want it. Now add in 2 teaspoons of butter into this and add around a quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence and grind it into a fine paste. Nutella is ready. Look at this texture, it's very fine and it's grainy too. We can keep this in a glass container and store this in the refrigerator. We have to store this in the refrigerator since we are not adding any preservative. This is a very healthy spread which we can give to our kids along with bread, roti, chapatis, etc. Like my video. Please do like, comment, and share this video with everyone. We will see with a very exciting video soon.